22 years ago, when we formed the group, I was doing quite a lot of performances of new music, and I wasn't particularly happy with the standards that were being achieved, not because of the quality of the people involved in it, but because of the time constraints on us. That's where the idea for Hebrides Ensemble came about, to found a group that would take new music more seriously, give it more time, more preparation, so that we could deliver performances that were good enough for people to really make a judgment about the quality of the music they were hearing. I'm passionate about new music because I think it continues the wonderful lineage of great pieces of music that we have, that we all enjoy. I mean, we all love our sort of favourite Beethoven piece, or Mahler piece, or Bach piece, and quite honestly, had they not been given the opportunity to be written and to be considered by audiences, we may not have had the chance to listen to them now. So I think it's really important for the future that this time that we're in at the moment, at the beginning of the 21st century, that when people look back on this, that they will see that the musicians of the time were supporting their composers and encouraging fantastic new works for them to enjoy later on. I would say all of our concerts are very accessible to a wide audience. I have quite an eclectic taste, and I like finding new works, and I like juxtaposing them with older works. So quite often in our programs, there will be, a fantastic masterpiece from the past that will be in alongside a new piece, hoping that both those pieces will shine some light on each other, and that's the way I program. So I think anyone coming along, I hope, will see the rationale behind my programming and will be stimulated by it, as I am when I'm doing it. There's so many interesting pieces around, and it's quite a privilege actually to be able to build them together. The idea of taking old music and putting it with the new music, I don't do that exclusively in every program, because I think once it becomes formulaic, then people know what to expect. And what I always hope with Hebrides Ensemble, that the audience don't really know what they're going to get when they turn up. Our standards of presentation and playing are as high as we can push them, and that is always at the top of our list. And I'm hoping that we find a way of introducing lots of people to new music, not to be afraid of it, and to be able to see its point and see where it belongs in the sort of line of fantastic music that we have. We have a major world premiere coming up, a piece by James Macmillan, our homegrown Scottish composer. He's written a fantastic piece for us that we're going to be premiering at the Edinburgh International Festival, and we'll take it to London, then we're going to go on tour with it to Amsterdam, possibly even Portugal, maybe even the US as well. There's a lot of interest in that piece, and I think it's very important for us to perform in Scotland, and that will never change. But I think for Scotland's sake as well as ours, we should move out and show Scotland really that what it has is something, I'm hoping that it has something special in our group. We've spent 20 odd years mainly in Scotland and the UK, really honing what the group can do, and it feels right to be moving out now to these bigger and different challenges.